Hey guys, so here's the new space. We're kind of revealing it to all our YouTube fans and subscribers. So here we go. And we had a little mishap with the cabinets you see back here, the wood cabinets. They came damaged from China, so we bought them from America. Assembled, Home Depot, good old Home Depot. You can see here, we've got our two little robot mop and vacuum cleaner to keep the place nice and clean. And behind me here, it's still a little bit of a mess there, but we've got our kitchen. So you can see here, just an alley kitchen. And here is our x-ray room. Rooms 3, 4, and 5, and the bathrooms are to the right. You don't need to see the bathrooms. Here is our x-ray room. Yes, that big box needs to be shredded, but we have upgraded to digital x-ray here. So you can see we've got a nice digital x-ray system here to look at the hard tissue, right? X-ray looks at hard tissue, MRI looks at soft tissue. Both very, very good objective tests. Here is my office, and I've been able to straighten it out a little bit. And in here we have a lot of healing going on. Got the Cox table here. It's a little damaged from the move, my fault. And then right here, this machine here scans your feet and checks the arches in your feet and can detect any flat arches in any one of the 3 arches. I bet you didn't know that. You have 3 arches in each foot, 6 arches total. And then as we go in here, this is room 4. And here we've got another decompression table and a flexion distraction table, spinal decompression for the neck and for the lower back. And this is my little mobile desk here. I carry this thing around. His name's Howard. See, he even has his name down there. So Howard helps me keep organized, and check out Howard though. Check him out here. So if you look here, you'll see Howard has a camera on it. Now right now I'm shooting with my iPhone, but Howard's going to be helping us shoot videos with the whole setup that we have there on the top here. So this is one of the other treatment rooms, and this room's a little bit of a mess, but we have, oh, I shouldn't unveil it yet, should I? Let me think about this. Well, you could see all these boxes here. We still have to organize. This is an additional room for acupuncture and massage, but right over there, that amazing thing right there is an automatic massage table by Saragem. That's the V4 Saragem massage table, and you will be able to sign up for a free massage. How awesome is that? We're the only East Coast showroom for this massage table, and it folds up. Pretty cool. And about half the size. It doesn't fold up, it slides in. So here is another treatment room here, and we've still got to organize here, but this is used by one of our other doctors, and that's pretty much it. Then we've got another room here that's locked. Sorry, you can't see what's in that room, but that is pretty much it. You know, I'll show you guys behind the desk. So right here, this is where our front desk staff makes magic happen, and they keep this practice running. Thank God for them. So thanks for tubing in again. Appreciate you. Got more to come.